If this clock hits 0, this entire room will freeze in time forever. But the secret to stopping it is hidden in the very last second. And what is that secret? You won't believe what happens at the end, so do not skip even a single second of this video.
The portal has opened! Everything is floating into the air, and now we have to jump straight into this time maze! Grab my hand, Byte! If we stay here any longer, we'll turn into stone!
They have arrived in the crystal realm, where time doesn't just stop, it runs backward.
Look behind us! Timekeeper robots are chasing us! And if they catch us...
Our adventure ends right here. But wait, the real twist is just getting started.
Do you know who is waiting at the very end of this tunnel? The exact person who vanished at the start of the video. We are inside the hyperspeed tunnel. Make one tiny mistake, and we will be lost in infinite space forever! Byte's warning system has activated. That means a massive danger is waiting for us ahead.
This is the Chronos Spire, the place where all the clocks of the universe are controlled.
We have to reach that giant central gear. Only then can we stop the time freeze. Jump, Byte! Even a second's delay and we will fall! That was close. But look what is appearing right in front of us. A mysterious ancient book.
This is the exact book mentioned at the beginning. Opening its very first page will reveal the truth.
Hold on! The moment this lock opens, something unimaginable is going to break free.
The lock is broken. The blinding light from the book has shaken the entire tower. What is written on these pages? This isn't any normal language. It's future code.
Byte is decoding it, and it says the true villain isn't here, but trapped in the mirror dimension.
Look at that! Cracks are forming on the glass window right there. That's where the path opens. We have to break through that window right now without wasting a single second. The ground is above us and the sky is below. If you don't watch your step, you'll fall right into open space.
Every reflection in this world hides a secret. Watch closely.
There they are, the masked shadow figure that's been watching us since the beginning. Who are they?
Their face. Oh, they look exactly like me. How is that even possible? We won't back down. No matter how powerful you are, we'll protect our home.
Watch out! An energy blast is coming! Jump to the side quickly! That was close. Byte, attack their left sensor to crack their shield code. Direct hit. Their shield is weakening. Now's our chance.
Take this. For our world and our friends, this is the final hit. It's actually me. But from an alternate future timeline.
I did all this to make you understand the true value of time. You must protect the core.
The dimension is collapsing. If we don't fix the core right now, we'll vanish forever. We're almost there. We're gonna win this. Crystal inserted.
The time freeze system is now neutralizing.
We're back in our room. Everything is normal again. What a crazy journey that was. But we finally pulled it off. The clock has finally calmed down. But is that real?
Is a brand new beginning about to start? Remember what I told you at the very beginning of the video? That secret would be revealed in the final second, and that secret is...
that this entire story wasn't a dream at all, but your next big adventure.